ke bangin ra show education minister kalong bangin ya keren baun pelai ya ka sarari jongi boro sandrai piang kata tingin sa sengap ka ke bana kaliang jong ka gomen ka don banong ka bae de patkanika benta hadin bangila wan bani kendo yo education minister min wan biang but min perseo happy ke bami nakajing ya keren biang
Da kispangot kinohikai skul SSA ke Jela hak arterik leber arhajar apuar kilami surok bandawa nak sarkar Jela ban plat noi keturap jongki kabalasan benai. Ban kini kinohikai kilayat rali ban itur sya sekretariat ban penbor ke sarkar ban cemkia ya kejeng ke bakiman. Kini kinohikai SSA kilami na parking lot kebadan Apollo ban yat patba Andre on dagilapoy akmat ke All India Radio Shillong kila syabat no hagi bor pendiat distrik. Bat kim syamlasya kini kinohikai ban yat na kemat ke sekretariat. Kimaja store bat kehak pulit kelekran bat kinong yalam jong ke Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association bat Pak Jiat hendrengut kinong yalam bandet yakran bat menteri ketenat pulit putih ubah ala kemen rembui. Kat bagi waipat kinong hikai kinet ban ap hakamadan nelakai ke badan hamalki. Wala kinong yalam jong keseng kinong hikai SSA kile menjur bandet yakran bat ubah ala kemen rembui. Hendrai babun kinong hikai kim syamlatre bandet syong nelej ap hamadan malki. Bat kilapan pau bakin yang bat yakin kejaka ne banca iki banyak najan sekretariat bandet Chamalki. Hadian kat tu kene por kinong yalam jong keseng kinong hikai SSA bat gibor pindak distrik kilala ban pensengutu kinong hikai ha ka bagi lemenjur bandet syong hamadan malki da kebayat na kesnong lacumia. Ki nong yalam jong keseng kinohikai SSA hapok kejeng yalam ubah Aristotle rembai kilalet ya kendo ubah ala kemen rembui banekran lor kejeng ke bagi kinohikai kimat na kejeng bamiok tulop. Habai keren kinong patai kubor hadian kejeng mani kendo ya menteri ketenat pulit putih ubah Aristotle rembai ulong bagi sarkar Jela kalkular ban plat no ketulop ke baar benai jong kinohikai SSA kata jong mai risau ban nai wieng arhajar arpuwei. Kamtam haba ketenat platengka jong Jela kala menjur ban pelat kene kepisa banyu asiu ketulop jong ini hikai. Ubah Aristotle ulong bau ba ala kemen rembui ula ke jengkular ba ke sarkar Jela tang syuyo ya ke second installment na ke sarkar Pedeng kan seplat no mardor ketulop jong ini hikai hadu ubenai leber. Nakaliang ubah ala kemen rembui ulong bahadian ke jingatai sani bat kino galam keseng kino hikai SSA ke sarkar kelasya mekarai ban pelat no ketulop jong ini hikai ne ke benta arbenai ke ban kot caka sanpu pra klor tengka. Hakaba hakashi benai haban penelut arp kundai klor tengka. Ubah ala kemen rembui ulong ru bakino hikai kidani ke hok bandawai ketulop ke baki dei hok banyo baru ulong ba ke sarkar Jela kelasya mkia banekran bat ke sarkar Pedeng. Bat dangshan luwani kendu ki hek sarkar Delhi ban phak pelat no kepisa jong ke second installment. Bat ukur men scam bah kini kita yo banwan ke sarkar Pedeng ngat saplat no yang kena kepisa. Ulong ru bawa lah ke jingsiu ketulap kan long tang sipor. Ndrai kalong pat ke badan kam manuat kilat klenti ban weng no kena kejeng kumta ke sarkar kino hikai bat kiwei ke badan benta kide ban perkhat kumno ban weng kejeng jong kino hikai school SSA.
During the meeting, he have informed us that the finance department have agreed in principle to release from the capping norms out of 100 crores to release some amount so that the government will be in a position to pay our salary for 2 months, that is from October to November. And for the remaining 3 months, that is from December, January and February, the Honorable Education Minister have assured us that once he received the second installment from the government of India, immediately he will release the pending 3 months. That is the outcome of the meeting. Yeah, at least today outcome with the education minister, we may say at least it is there is a little bit of development, we may say, because for the past 5 years there is no response from the government side. So he from his side he has informed us that today itself from the finance department they have agreed in principle to release some amount so that the government will be in position to release our salary for 2 months, that is for the month of October and November. During the course of discussion, whatever have from his side, whatever have informed us, he have assured us that once they receive the second installment, he told us that second installment they may receive at any time. Okay, so once they receive the second installment, they will release all our pending salary till the month of March. We are not here to challenge the government. We are not here against the government. We are here just demanding for our right. So we have given a suggestion from our end that let us end up all these things. We don't want that in future the same thing will repeat regarding the salary issue. So we have suggested from our side, we have suggested the government that why not you frame a policy to do as you have done for the ad hoc or deficit teachers to release their salary quarterly. So that we SSA teachers also will understand that, okay, quarterly we will receive our salary, so we can manage our livelihood. So from his end also he have agreed to take this suggestion for further discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister and with his officer in Education Department. That is the assurance what he has given.
Mga hakaji lang jong State Project Director jongka SSA. Bangilaya batay ya ki ki constraint, but ki daw, but ki step ki ba ka sarkar ka shim, but kan shim ban is ya kane ka jing do ka jing slam jong ka tulab ka jing yathir ka long ka bajrong Tengi nak liang sarkar nak liang jonga ngala penpau bangadon gicing kremen kawas kem ba ngin sayo hakiniki tayo ke banwan ya ka second installment but nalor kata ngala yakren but honorable chief minister na kabenta ba kat bala bangin la ban pelai ya katulop kaba deban ina kasit kami te nakalyang ka sarkar ngila ongba ngin persyang kat bala ngala ayak assurance ba at least arbanai naka sarkar kan yele ban pelai te kacinglut nakabenta ka arbanai katulop kan long kubasan praklur AA nakabenta kane ka kalong katulop kata kajing ong jong pi ba ki don kinong hikai ki ba ai pateng ki bam julek hikai ka don henry ultimately ondangi keli ngong ai ka report ai ka jing tho khnang ba ka sarkar kan shim yak action don ba ai ya kan ne ka ju ka jing ong jong pi hapo assembly ro ladon bawan ra ya kenen ringong ai ngi kloi ban shim ka action yano but ngamrul out bakidon ki no hikai ka baki ka nam no hikai ki school kamju play kita ndre karul jong managing committee karul jong gasnong kim ai ya ka report sha ka DSCO dan DMC as the case may be dan join DMC den ta kadaw kalong ka ba ya ka sarkar ban ak hakata ka hearsay lada ka don ka proof